professor ng management.
Sino?
Ng MA ng ano? Si Alice Soriano sa Ateneo.
Ay, hindi ko kilala yun eh. Kaya yun Ateneo kasi si Rudy Tuyuso, kasi yung mga Atenista ang kinukuha niya. Atenista, kaya si ano, Atenista yun, nag-MBA sa Ateneo yun eh, si Mabel. Andiyan pa ba si Mabel?
Yeah. Ayaw na rin niya maalam. Hindi na siya MGM. Ayaw niya. Ano siya? Corporate consultant na lang.
Yung mga nagtatayo ng mga branch.
Siya.
Okay. So,
Masama
okay. So, we have here with us today, Dr. San Luis, dermatologist of Forever Flawless. Good afternoon, Doctora. So, we would like to discuss this afternoon about skin whitening. So, my first question would be, what is the difference between natural and chemical whitening products?
The natural product, what is this?
Whitening.
Natural and chemical whitening product. Usually the natural chemical and chemical product, natural product, this is coming from fruit extract, okay, and from
Like bearberry,
yes,
extract,
and then what else?
licorice.
And what else? Licorice, the kojic, I think.
Kojic acid.
And then chemicals is like TCA.
What is TCA, Doctora?
And this is trichloroacetic acid. Okay.
Wow, acid talaga.
And then glycolic, we have the glycolic acid, and then we have the hydroquinone. So this is
Amongst all of these, which do you think is the most popular in the Philippines?
the most popular in the Philippines is the hydroquinone.
Why do you think, Doctora?
Basically, they can sell it over the counter. You know, the likes of the Extraderm, this is HQ.
So these are HQ.
HQ
What
products.
is the safe standard in the usage of HQ?
In using HQ, we have to have to set a standard. We have to use it once a week,
What about the strength?
around 1% only, because what they are selling over the counter, they don't know that this is harmful. That is 4%.
4%, which is not good.
This is not good.
Why is it not good, Doctora? What does it do?
Prolonged use of hydroquinone will result to hyperpigmentation or the melasma. Okay?
How does it look, melasma?
That is the brownish pigmentations over the skin.
Is it difficult to remove?
Actually, if it's deep, yes, it is.
What are the things that you do to remove melasma because of usage of hydroquinone?
Well, another one is chemical peel also, but very in a safe manner. Okay, little by little we have to remove it. Sometimes it will take months to years to remove that. And we should, if we're using whitening, any whitening, we should use sunblock. Every day we have to use sunblock. And it's a no-no to expose to sunlight.
Ito next. Saan na ba natin agad?
What is the most for my what is the most of us, the best that we could what's this? We could recommend to our patients is the Abachi. Okay, this is HQ product, but the proper recommendation and consultation with the doctor, you could see a nice result in your skin. Okay. Prolonged usage of Obagi is no harm with proper usage.
And proper doctors, what do you call this, expertise, with the help of your
Yeah.
expertise.
The proper knowledge of using it. Yes.
Otherwise, it is also harmful
Yes,
if it's not properly used.
Yes, because it contains HQ also.
How much is the HQ of Obagi, Doctora?
I think it's 4%.
It's also high.
What is it? Thank you. Okay, what else?
What else do we have there?
We have using good and bad effects. Well, the good effects of whitening is actually, it's not only the whitening effect. It will renew your skin, it will rejuvenate your skin, your skin will look young forever. For using that whitening and rejuvenating, actually it's rejuvenating and whitening.
So, do you suggest that Filipino women undergo whitening regimen?
They should. They should. Well, actually, whitening, a Filipino woman should not be that white. It will just lighten a little bit and renew their skin, no? Rejuvenate their skin.
So, it's safe enough. It's safe.
It's safe.
What is the best-selling product for whitening? It's still Obagi.
It's still Obagi.
But that's very expensive.
It's very
For local,
For
do you
local.
suggest a local brand?
Tretinoin. Not the brand, the generic of the Tretinoin is very good. Even for years, no? With proper proper usage of it. Proper advice, it is good for the skin.
Ano ba ang whitening?
This one. The patient should have a good knowledge of what they are using.
So that's why before you undergo any whitening regimen, they really have to consult a doctor.
Consult the doctor.
It's very important.
It is important.
You just don't go to a grocery store or department store and buy any product that you see.
And yes, and use it like a, like your toner every day. It is very, very handy.
So you really need a doctor's advice,
Yes.
consultation.
Yes.
Barbara, would you like to say something about yourself?
Well, I'm Evelyn Formation Luis. Graduated at Fatima Medical Center. That's what should I say it? And then I have 2 kids. Well, they are.
How long have you been working here as a dermatologist here in the clinic, doctor?
I'm working here for
2001?
Almost 6 years.
Yes, 6 years.
6 years. 6 years. Almost 6 years. I'm here.
Have you had any patient
Mhm.
na nasunog ang balat because of whitening or na-disgrasya?
Yes.
What did you do, doctora? Ano ang cause pala nun? What's the cause?
Yes,
One
o-
example.
One example is over the counter.
What would you remember what product she used over the counter?
Well, this is the Estradiol, what is that? The other one from Splash?
Maxi peel?
Yeah, the Maxi pills.
Ano itsura, doktora?
They have been using it for about more than a year. Something like that. So, initially it's like parang the Tofino type. They didn't know that this is abraded skin already. And then after that abrasion, it will become dark. The melasma or the hyperpigmentation will come out. And then I'm treating it as like ordinary, and I will feel it little by little once a week until it's gone.
So the patient is still with you now.
The patient is happy already with.
How long has she been under treatment, doctora?
I think that one I've treated it for 2 months, 2 to 3 months.
And then there is already a considerable difference. Did you see a difference?
Yes, because it's too dark.
So you mean after putting that over-the-counter drug, you are now treating it with another whitening agent?
No, you will let it grow. The skin will mature in 28 days. Okay, you let it mature first in 28 days. Then this time, you try to treat the hyperpigmentation. Okay, once a week. Okay, at least for 5 sessions. And then there is this meds that we're going to give, a whitening meds. This is a take-home meds for everyone.
So you mean it really helps?
It's really
Wow, and only for 3 months.
first.
So she's happy with it. The client, the patient was happy.
Very happy. And come back again for facials already.
Oh, yeah.
sleep.
Thank you so much, Doctora,
Okay.
for your time. That was Doctora San Luis, of Forever Flawless. Thank you.